Tiramisu literally means pick me up. Today I'm changing the main ingredient of tiramisu, which is coffee, to mango. Hi guys, I'm Chef Bhumika and today I'm making mango misu or mango tiramisu. Let's start with a simple mascarpone filling, for which I have 1/4 cup of mascarpone cheese over here, which is soft and at room temperature. To this I'm adding 2 tablespoons of castor sugar just to sweeten it slightly, and I'm simply going to mix this till the sugar melts. Once the sugar melts, we're going to fold this into some whipped cream. I have half a cup of whipped cream over here, which has whipped up into almost a full cup of cream. So now I'm simply going to fold this, making sure I'm not losing any of the air that I've whipped up. I'm setting up the tiramisu in this glass dish, but you can use small cups or any other acrylic box if you like. So I'm starting with some vanilla sponge. I have baked this myself, but you can also use ready-made vanilla sponge if you like. If you want to bake it at home, we have a recipe. The link will be in the description box below. So I have thin slices of vanilla sponge here, which I'm going to set up at the bottom. I'm going to soak this with some mango juice. This is ready-made mango juice, but you can also use mango pulp, which is thinned down with water. I'm just going to spoon it over, making sure the sponge is completely soaked with the mango juice. Time to add our mascarpone filling over this. I'm just going to add dollopfuls of the filling, and I'm going to spread it using a spoon. Now for my favorite bit, I'm going to add some chopped up mangoes. You can use any variety of your choice. I'm using Alphonso mangoes here. I'm trying to make sure that each bite will have a good chunk of mango in it. And now I'm going to repeat the same process all over again, starting with a vanilla sponge. I'm going to soak it with mango juice again. Another layer of the cream. I'm going to decorate our mango misu with a mango flower. Let's see how to make it. I'm going to cut the mango very close to the seed. And I'm going to slice the mango with the skin itself. And if this is too much work, you can also use chopped up mangoes instead, but I like being extra fancy. It's such a simple way. Just start placing the mangoes in a circle while overlapping them. I like to start right at the middle with longer slices. And I use the smallest slices right in the center, so that the mango rose looks very dainty. Now I'm going to start adding the slices outside. Set this in the fridge for a couple of hours before serving it. It tastes amazing when it's chilled. If you also love mangoes just like me, try this recipe out. I'm Chef Bhumika signing off from Rajshri Food.